10 supernatural miracles from the Bible.
One part in the Red Sea. God made a way. God split the sea just to save his people from the enemy. A road in the middle of the sea. To manna from heaven. Food delivery by God. When the Israelites were hungry, God supernaturally sent food from the sky every morning. 3. Water from the rock. God quenched their thirst. In the middle of the desert, God made fresh water gush out from a rock for his people. For Jesus calmed the storm. Peace in the chaos. Jesus stopped a raging storm instantly, just to save his terrified disciples. 5. Feeding 5,000. Supernatural provision from 5 loaves and 2 fish. Jesus miraculously fed thousands. No one left hungry. 6. Healing the blind. Restoring sight. Jesus healed a man born blind. He gave him the gift of seeing for the first time in his life. 7. Delivering the demon-possessed. Freedom gifted. Jesus set a man free from thousands of demons with just one command. 8. Raising Jairus' daughter. Life restored. Jesus took a dead girl's hand and simply said, "Little girl, get up." She came back to life. 9. Lazarus raised. Dead for 4 days. Jesus supernaturally called Lazarus from the grave. He walked out alive, wrapped in burial cloths, healing the paralyzed man. Instant strength. Jesus told the paralyzed man to get up and walk. And he did, in front of everyone. Struggling right now? Trust God, he's powerful. And with you, your journey isn't done. God is working behind the scenes. Keep hope alive. Miracles still happen.